Hi, hello friends, welcome to the home recipes. Today we are going to see how to make a tasty sambar. Let's start how to make a tasty sambar. First, I have taken 1 cup of tuar dal. I soaked the tuar dal for about 15 minutes. Now let's cook it in a pressure cooker. Place a pressure cooker on the stove and add soaked 1 cup of tuar dal. Next, add 2 cup of water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 green chilies. Then add little oil. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles until the dal becomes soft and well cooked. After 3 whistles, open the cooker and mash the cooked dal using a spoon. Next, place a pan on the stove and switch on the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I am adding lightly crushed 10 cloves of garlics. Now add a handful of small onions. If you don't have small onions at home, you can use one large onion chopped into a piece. Saute everything until the onions turn soft and translucent. Then add a few curry leaves and continue sauteing. Next, I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of MADRAS KULAMBU masala powder. I have already uploaded a video showing how to make this masala powder. So do check it out if you are interested. Then add little bit of teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Mix it well. Careful not to be burn the masala. It should release its aroma and color, but it should not get burned. Immediately add 2 chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Add about half a teaspoon of rock salt. You can also use regular table salt if you prefer. Sauteed tomatoes 3 minutes. Now add 1 drumstick and 2 brinjals, also cut into pieces. This quantity is enough to serve around 4 people. Next, add 1 cup of water and let everything boil. The vegetable should cook well along with the masala. Once the drumstick and brinjals are about 70% cooked, add 3 to 4 pieces of raw mangoes. After all the vegetables are cooked well, add the cooked and mashed dal that we prepared earlier. Mix everything thoroughly. Now taste the sambar and adjust the salt if needed. I felt it needed a little more salt, so I added some extra. Finally, add about half a cup of water to adjust the consistency and mix everything well. I am adding half a teaspoon of jaggery powder, that sweetness and to balance the flavors, and mix it well. That's it, our tasty, flavorful sambar is ready. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and more enhanced flavor. Add half a teaspoon of ghee before serving. Our delicious, tasty sambar is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with rice, idli or dosa. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe the Home Recipes channel. Thank you.